Hello fellow makers and welcome back to 3D Printed Soup's 3D Printed Advent Calendar. I am Father Printmas and today we are looking at a great little thing for your pets. At Christmas it's time for the family and pets are always part of the family. My reindeer of course are definitely part of my family. Not enough that I'd actually let them in my house or eat any of my food. They can stay outside and eat the hay I give them, the ungrateful little ingrates. But still, they're part of the family, so I printed off one of these for each of them. It's a little tag to go on their collars and make them feel all Christmassy. This will work for cats, dogs, reindeers, whatever pets you have. It's lovely design and it was made by this clever maker here. Links in the description below as always, and leave a like and a picture if you print this on Thingiverse. Thanks so much for watching 3D Printed Soup. Stay happy, stay safe, keep printing. No, they're not allowed in the house. Tell them to stay outside in the snow. They're reindeer. They'll get used to the rain. It's in their name. Don't look at me like that.